Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Power off the Swift device and disconnect power and battery before starting. Remove external cables and place the device on a clean, flat surface. Attach an ESD wrist strap to your wrist and a grounded point on the bench. Gather a Phillips #00 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and tweezers for small connectors. Use a small parts tray to sort screws by size and location. Keep a phone camera ready to photograph each step for reassembly reference. Remove the rear case screws using a Phillips #00 and lift the case carefully. Work slowly and feel for hidden clips before forcing any section apart. Identify the LED ribbon or backlight cable and note its ZIF connector orientation. Gently open the ZIF latch and slide the ribbon free using a plastic spudger. Note screw sizes and locations: 3x4 mm, 6x6 mm, and 2x8 mm for this Swift. Store screws in labeled compartments, so reassembly is exact and quick. Lift the backlight module gently from its recess and watch for adhesive strips. If adhesive resists, apply a small amount of 90% isopropyl alcohol to soften it and wait 30 seconds. Inspect the backlight and connectors for torn traces or burnt components using a magnifier. If replacing, align the new module and press adhesive evenly along the edges. Reconnect the ribbon, close the ZIF latch, and reattach the rear case screws. Power on to test the display before fully sealing the device back together.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.